I recently purchased this 2018 337 Peterbilt. Before I go too crazy building this truck, I had to do the essentials: window tint and lug covers. My whole goal with this truck is to basically build my dream farm truck. A big enough bed that I can throw fuel tanks, skids, and pallets on, but it also be compact enough that I can hook it to my 50-foot bean head and pull it down the road. Anyways, with all that being said, we're going to go ahead and get this truck build started. So, I hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching.
You owe me that.
All right.
And then
Every 10 minutes.
we set the bed on tonight, kind of for the first time. It was on there last night, but not really like actually test fitting. Frame rails sliced off at the right length. These are going on our frame rails. It's going to space the bed up about 4 inches, get a little bit more clearance over the tires with it being a spring ride. Dad's welding on the hitch. Big, thick 3/4 inch plate. Well, I think today is June the 22nd, and we are, you can just barely see it there. We got the drones out ripping. We are fungiciding some corn. This corn is just starting to tassel. It'll probably be tasseled out by, I don't know, Sunday or Monday. Today is Thursday, I think. So getting in here early, getting it done. There's the other drone. Cody's flying this one. I'm flying the one that's still running. We'll be coming in for a fill here in a little bit. Yeah, that's what I built. I've been out running the Traco all day, then got done with that, running drones. Dad has been in here some, working on my truck since last night. This is where we're at with the hitch plate. We're doing regular 2-inch Reese hitch at the bottom and the big Pendle hitch up top. D-rings for our Pendle hitch trailer, smaller D-rings for our 2-inch Reese hitch. Probably blow some holes in here somewhere for our airlines, run them out the back. Basically with this truck, my goal is to just get a heavier built truck that I can carry a fuel tank, a really big fuel tank, a def tank, a job box. It's late, my mind's going blank, but I want to carry a lot of stuff on here, have it on the truck, be able to pull whatever the heck I want in hydrous tanks, and just not be beating the tar out of my pickup. So I can't honestly tell you how long I've been wanting to do a truck like this, but it's been a while. I really wish I could take all the credit on building this truck and like working on it, but I can't. I haven't hardly been in there working on my truck at all. I'm out here in the Traco, mucking out a pond right now. There was 2 ponds on this piece of ground and we want them gone. We want them filled in. So to start off, we're mucking them out, getting the muck out. We're setting it up on the bank. We're gonna get that drying, and then we'll come in and fill these in. Is the idea or the plan. Dad has been the main one in there working on my truck this whole time, building it, getting the flatbed set on there, cutting the frame shorter on the truck, and all of that stuff. So Dad is heading that up, and I've just been running the track out. Went ahead and mounted me a camera in here tonight. Well, not the camera, just got the screen in. Still need to put the actual camera on the back of the truck. But then I went ahead and also, well, I ran all the wiring for it all the way back to the back. Went ahead and painted the runners and all that. Painted up the back hitch, got it all cleaned up. It's looking nice. I'm waiting on some tail lights, boxes. They're gonna go on right in here, this area, stick out a little bit. Then I'm thinking, I'm not decided underneath. I'm thinking I'm gonna go quarter fenders in the front with a mud flap about right here. I think that would look pretty good. I don't think we're gonna do the mud flap hanging from the bed. I think it'll be a lot cleaner look with a little quarter fender right here. You know, got your little mud flap on top of it sticking up, and then a mud flap right in here, if that's possible with the spring ride. That's what I'm thinking for right now. Haven't got to work on it much, but it's coming along. Need to get all these stickers off. So while I've been out in the Traco, Wyatt has actually been heading this job up and telling Dad how to do it and what to do and all of that. Kind of give us some insight on this build.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
You know, this thing picks up sound.
What? Does it?
I don't know if these little ones pick up sound.
Oh, I believe so. Yeah.
Do they? Oh, okay. Okay.
He's
What's
got
up,
this,
YouTube?
He's got this.
What's up? You gotta match your truck.
Oh yeah.
I like how you roll out here. Hold on. Wave him back up here. He's videotaping me. Is this guy spraying or is he YouTubing? Come on now. We have Farmer Johnson over there filming YouTube for his own content, and I'm over here filming YouTube for his own content. Kyle told me they needed a ride, but the semi's here, so. Are you leaving now?
Yeah, I'm going to get back to the shop.
All right. Got the watermelons on the side, each corner. Shoo-wee. There's one of them. I have no idea where the other one's at. But I'm gonna hop back in the truck because it kind of smells like bug juice because he just sprayed along these ends, so. I found it. There it is. There's the other one. That's all I really got for today's video. So thank you for watching. And if you want to see more videos just like this one, check out my YouTube channel. I have tons of videos on there. I will also be posting more videos of my truck build as we make more progress on it. So once again, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.